Good evening and welcome to the March 17th edition of the Dr. K Birthday Roast. Okay, now, happy St. Patrick's Day to everybody. You know, I am Dr. K. My actual name is Kelly Flanagan. And yes, I know that's a good Irish name, but actually, I am part Irish and part French. So every time I go into a bar, I pick a fight and then surrender. It's like, you want a piece of me? You can have one. Slow crowd today. They must have been drinking. Okay, well, let's get started on the birthdays. Chucky Watson has a birthday today. Now, when I first met Chucky, he was performing in a comedy contest at McSalty's, where the audience members are supposed to each list two comedians on their ballot, and then the comedian with the most votes wins. And the problem was they gave everybody the ballots before the show, and so his friends all voted and then left before I did my set. Thank you for the sympathy laughter, I guess you'd call that. So I guess it's the Chicago influence. They may not vote often, but they vote early. Yeah, let's see. Next birthday. Kay Lovejoy Drelos has a birthday today. Kay Lovejoy Drelos. Yes, now, she got a Bachelor of Arts degree from Oklahoma Baptist University. Then she got a law degree in Boston. Now, she can sue a preacher if somebody gets pneumonia during a baptism. Alright, who's next? Ginger Regazi Munn has a birthday today. Ginger Regazi. That's a good Irish-Italian name. Now, she can go into a bar, pick a fight, and have her cousin finish it. Thank you for watching the Dr. K Birthday Roast.